Howdy there, guys. As you can see, I'm still here at Brunswick Station with the old main guy. And I don't know if you can see that, but we have a high green, high clear, which means we are going to have a westbound train coming through here any moment. And this westbound, something actually pretty special. I've seen this and I actually saw this last night on a loaded coal train. It was a CSX 4566 SD70 Mac. However, this is leading, and this not only led a train, but this well, in its former days, this one was, I believe, the last of the YN2s when it was an SD70 Mac, and it had a K5HL horn. However, it's been changed to a K5LA, but it's pretty cool. Should be rounding its way through here pretty soon. So we will see what happens. Okay guys, here it is. Put on super steady for you so that way camera doesn't shake. There it is, it's a Mac leading an empty coal. Yes, it's an SD70 Mac rebuild, but definitely something you do not see every day. Also, Q416, it's a horn battle. There's Q415 with 3228 and 6341. It'll be heading the other direction, but it's just doing some yard work here. Have a good day, everyone. Hope you enjoyed seeing that Mac lead a coal.